Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today we're making shrimp cakes. Wonderful Thai dish that I have loved for 20 years. I haven't made it in a long time, but it kind of popped into my head and I said, yeah, I have to do that again. It's easy. There's not a lot of preparation. It goes real fast and it just tastes great. I have to admit, I bought the sweet chili that goes with it, but I did do the cucumber relish myself. And as always, please subscribe, click the bell icon so that you can get notifications when new content comes online. Yeah, with no further ado, let's get cooking. Here we have our ingredients for the shrimp cakes. There's some nice black tiger prawns or shrimp, some coriander, some Thai basil, some curry paste, in this case panang curry, 2 red chilies, some spring onions, and some lemongrass. I also have a cucumber because we're going to pickle some cucumbers so that you could dip the shrimp cakes in that. And we'll pickle them in kind of a sweet rice wine vinegar and sugar brine. Now it's time to get chopping a bit and cleaning, make the mise en place. I'm not going to need the whole cucumber, so we'll put part of it back in the fridge. And we'll just peel this part, cut off the end, split it down the middle, scrape out the seeds with a spoon, and then we cut it up in smaller pieces and basically just chop them up relatively finely. That's it for the cucumber, then that goes into the brine. We need to slice the chilies. I like it a bit spicy, so I'll keep the seeds in. We'll divide this up. Half of it goes to the cucumbers and half of it goes into the shrimp cakes. Now we just have to mix the brine, which is 1 part vinegar, 2 parts sugar and 3 parts water that you dissolve and then you cool it down, and then you just pour it over the cucumber. That's about the perfect amount. And then the cucumber dip for the shrimp cakes is ready. The basil, we pick off the leaves and then we chop it off roughly. And that goes into the shrimp mixture. The same with the coriander. And that also goes into the shrimp mixture. Here we have our lemongrass. Now this is quite woody, so I'll split it down the middle. I'll take away the outer peel. And then we chop it as finely as we can. Like that. That's enough. That also goes into the shrimp. We've cleaned our spring onions and now we just chop them up. And now these go also into the shrimp mix. So here we have the lemongrass, the spring onion, the Thai basil, the coriander, and a bit of chili. And now we're going to mince up the shrimp. Mix the shrimp with this together with the curry paste. We have a shrimp here. We will put it into the cutter, but before we do that, we'll just cut it into smaller pieces. Everything is cut up, so we'll just put it in here. And we're ready to cut these up. It will be quite loud. And that's perfect. I will put it all into here. becomes like a paste almost. Mix in the curry. Now we get our hands in there and kind of mix it all together. You don't need any binding agent. As you can see, it's like glue already. That's it, it's all mixed. It's time to make the patties. Wet your hands. Something like that. But make them any size you want. As you can see, we got 8 patties out of it. No, I cannot even count. 7. 7 patties. It was about 300 grams of shrimp. Now we fry them up. So the oil is smoking hot. Put in our shrimp patties. And we fit all 7. That's perfect. That's what you want, that kind of color. There we go. They're ready to eat. So let's serve them up. There we go. So our beautiful shrimp cakes, some sweet chili, and our homemade cucumber relish. Let's give this a try. Can't wait to try these. It's been years since I made these actually. I used to make them quite a lot, maybe 10 years ago or so. I don't know if you can see the color, but it's kind of the nice color from the, well, both the curry paste and actually the cooked seafood. I'll try the first one in our homemade relish. Perfect. And then some with some bought sweet chili. It's a perfect kind of drink snack or even a starter if you're cooking a Thai menu. I really enjoy it. Some would probably call it a bit compact. It is compact, but I enjoy that part. I love seafood anyways, as you probably know, but this is great. A cucumber relish with a chili. Just a little bit of heat in there. Perfect. Cheers. I'm gonna share this with my wife now. I hope you enjoy the movie. Oh, the video. Movie, it's not a movie, but a video. If you did, don't forget, thumbs up down there. And if you haven't done so yet, the subscribe button. Thank you very much for sticking with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll try it at home. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.